Wait, what?
You've probably told yourself to stop overthinking, to let it go, to not go in circles. And for a moment, it works until something feels uncertain again. And without planning to, you are back there, replaying, reanalyzing, reconsidering, like your mind just keeps going. Your brain goes,
Okay, let's go over this again. Maybe we missed something. What if there's a detail we didn't see? We just need to be sure. It's easy to think overthinking is the problem.
something to eliminate. But what you call overthinking is usually your mind doing something specific, trying to reach something that still feels unresolved. Overthinking often starts with uncertainty, something unclear, something unfinished, a situation that doesn't fully make sense yet. And your brain doesn't like that. So it keeps going, not randomly, but in an attempt to get to clarity. The problem is, thinking doesn't always create the kind of clarity you're looking for, especially when the situation depends on other people or incomplete information. So instead of reaching an answer, you create more possibilities, more versions, more
What ifs?
and the loop keeps going. Your brain goes,
Okay, option 1. Option 2. What if there's a third? Actually, what if we're thinking about this wrong entirely? Let's start over.
and here's why it feels so hard to stop. Because overthinking doesn't feel pointless. It feels responsible, careful, prepared, in control. Stopping feels like you might miss something important. So your mind keeps going just in case. The issue isn't that your mind is trying to think. The issue is what is trying to be solved. Because not everything can be solved through thinking alone. Some things need time, clarity from others, or simply more information. But until that happens, your mind keeps trying to solve it anyway. So maybe the goal isn't to stop thinking completely, but to recognize when thinking is no longer giving you new answers, when it's repeating instead of resolving, when it's trying to create certainty in a situation that isn't certain yet. You are not overthinking because something is wrong with you. You are overthinking because something feels incomplete and your mind is trying to close that gap. But not every gap can be closed immediately. And sometimes the shift isn't finding the answer. It's noticing when thinking has already done all it can do.